Today, we find ourselves back at the Hodges farm, also known as the site of the 2018 Zero to Awesome Christmas special. Yeah! And today, we're evaluating whether or not our barn find will become our next project or not. And by barn find, I mean it can be found next to the barn. So this Xterra is being reclaimed by nature, but we are here to see if we can breathe some new life into it. It once upon a time met a ditch, didn't fare so well, but I'm told that it actually did run and drive until one day it ran out of gas being moved around the farm, and ever since then it has not run. That was probably, I think, 2 or 3 years ago. So today we're gonna see if we can get this thing started, and if we can, I think we're gonna do something awesome with it. A little dirty in here, not too bad. Ooh, it's also really hot. Dang. No power. First up, we gotta fix that. All right, we got our jumper box on the battery. A good solid reading of 0 volts. That's a good sign. Try the key again. Nothing. So that didn't work. A little bit of time has passed. Maybe be able to tell right here.
Steven planted a Nissan and it's time for harvest. The only question is, how do we harvest it?
Yeah, so we planted the Nissan a few weeks ago. It did not start. We tried hooking up the truck to it to jump it, and the jumper cables got really hot, so something might be wrong, either with the battery or with the car. We're not sure.
Wait, something might be wrong with this barn find that's been in a field for 5 years?
It's been there for a while. So we have reinforcements today. We're gonna see if we can get started. Maybe, I don't know.
If not, we can, go pick up our car hauler trailer.
Oh yeah, we could do that because we have one of those.
Yeah, we had one.
Things happen. There is a main fuse right here. And see how like that one's nice and clear and that one's nice and clear? This one's all white and bubbly, which means it could be bad. The problem is though,
happy.
So this is the main fuse for the whole car, and it doesn't just pull out like these pull out. It's bolted in, so we gotta take this panel out and unbolt it and then put the new one in.
We learned a very valuable lesson. Don't trust the little red things, because on this car, red means negative, which means backwards.
Yeah, which could be why the fuse is fried and why it would not charge last time. Old busted, new fuseness.
We have fused the fuse, we have batteried the battery. Chances of this starting, 1 to 10.
I think it still needs gas.
So that's like a 2?
On every good farm Xterra, you can always find the key in the ignition. Ooh, we have power this time.
We have electricity?
Electricity, let's put some gas in it. I don't even want to try it until we...
Excuse me, sir, this is New Jersey. You can't fill up your own car, please. Why does one of these cans say diesel on it?
Well, it's scratched out though.
Oh, okay.
It's fine, I wouldn't worry about it.
She's full.
No. We have a very high level of fuel or other liquids.
Let's go for a car ride.
Oh no, you can't have dogs in this car. It's a really clean car.
What? But I'm out of here then. It's me and Murphy or nobody.
Okay, so the gas tank is full of something we don't know what, but we're gonna give it a little turn ski anyway. Here we go. Nothing. Service engine soon.
Oh, we're servicing the engine right now. Put it in the,
Oh, it's not in park.
Oh.
We're still trying to start though. Okay, go again. Yeah, okay, we got spark.
So far the score is Xterra 2, 0 to awesome 0.
Sometimes it works out that way.
Eventually, we'll get to awesome though.
Yeah, eventually. So problem is either fuel pump's not going because we don't hear one going, or the gas tank is full of water, which would be bad. Both of which we're not equipped to handle today, so I think it's put it on the trailer and get it somewhere where we can dig into a little bit deeper.
Okay, I'll sit in the truck, you push it on the trailer.
Yeah, that's another problem is we have to get it onto the trailer somehow. Small change of plans. We've decided we are not easily defeated and we are going to the car parts store. Get a fuel pump.
And I lost my keys.
We are not going to the car parts store.
There are 3 auto parts stores in this town. Guess how many of them had the fuel pump? 0. Xterra, you win again. Welcome to another episode of Naming Farm Equipment with Alan. This one I have named the prostate exam. This one I have named just enough margarita for Friday night. That one I've named the snack dispenser. We drove it up there on its own power. Oh, I found the problem. We just need some air.
Low tire. But if anyone has any suggestions as to what we should do to this thing,
Besides getting it running,
let us know, because we're open. I mean, free car, fun things to do. The Xterra has been trailered, so it will be traveling back to Z2A HQ.
oh, we have an acronym now?
Yeah, we're doing fun letter things.
Z2A HQ?
Yeah, you pronounce it Zizkuya.
Ah, back to Zakuya headquarters. We'll see you there.